All right, today we're going to bring an iPhone 14 case, and this is a very durable phone case. If you guys can see, this is the inside of the actual case. But included with the case, they actually give you the actual glass cover and also a cover for your camera too. So that's just to be aware. They give you all the cleaning solutions and the actual cloth to clean it. And then this is unique. I've never seen this before, but this is actually to unlock the actual case itself because it's durable. Once it goes in there, it's very difficult to actually open it up. You need something sharp, and I like that they include this key here. So very simple to use. I like the back end. If you guys can see, it's very hard plastic here. Durable enough where your buttons could be easy access, right? You have access to the easy access to the buttons. Let's put it together how it works, right? So you could set this up separately, right? We're gonna set up the actual lens cleaners first. Well, let's go ahead and set up this part right here. Set them up in here in place, and you're all set there. That was an easy entrance, if you guys can see that. All right, so we got it set up in here, and that's the hardest part probably, just to set that part up, and then you end up setting the actual silicone part of it, which is is going to prevent it from the shock protection. All right, so we're going to go ahead and set this up first, and this is the back end, if you guys can see that, and it's like a puzzle piece. They pretty much match up, and if you guys can see it, so I'm going to put it in here, slide it in there. It's durable right now, but we're going to make it harder, even harder, more durable when you actually put the cover in here. And the cover has to meet with the actual button selections and make sure that it fits perfectly well. So just find the way, click it on here. You guys can see that. And now you got to go around and click the whole thing up. Very simple. Now, we do have a glass protector already. We don't need an extra one, but it's good to have extra ones right now. Now, if you guys see that it's opened up a little bit, just click on it until you see the actual completely sealed out. Now, this gives you more protection for the phone. Like if you drop it, it's very durable. Every corner is going to hit. Nothing's going to happen. Your glass is going to be protected. Not only that, your camera's going to be protected. Now, if you ever want to open it up, they give you the key here. If you guys can see that, and you can start just twisting it and opening it up. It cranks it open. So very durable phone. I like that they give you the actual casing itself, extra glass, extra protected for your camera. Very simple to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.